All right, your topic is describe an occasion when you were not allowed to use your mobile phone, right? So you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, sir, mobile have become absolutely necessary part of our life, and without mobile, we can't think of life without mobile. Uh, there are some places in our town that where you are allowed to go to the shop to the restaurant with your mobile, but on the other side there are some places where you are not allowed to carry your mobile along with yourself. So like religious places like a temple, high quality of restaurant, and hospital. A couple months before, my cousin had come from UAE. He spent 2 weeks with me, and he told me that we had to go to the Faisal Masjid. So my family was not agree with us. So after that, at the end, my family we got an opportunity to visit to the Faisal Masjid. Uh, when we arrived to the Faisal Masjid, there were a long queue who tried to enter to the Faisal Masjid. So when we were about to get into the masjid.
Okay, thank you. It's not mosque, it's mosque.
Mosque.
All right, you said that word 4 5 times. In the beginning, you said mobile have, and you spoke for 50 seconds about the mobile, irrelevant to the topic, and then you came to that occasion. So, the occasion of Faisal Mosque, he should have started with that. Before that, for 50 seconds, he talked about certain places where mobile is not allowed. In Ielts speaking part 2, you have to be specific. The topic is describe an occasion when you are not allowed to use your mobile. Then you should have started last month and this and that and all that. Okay. Then there were grammatical mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, which you need to seriously see. Like Q was pronounced like qui, and then you said we was, then you said we were. So focus your grammar. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. Mask upar kar liye, please. What is the impact of cell phone?
There are two scenarios. In one scenario, like a positive impact, and on the other hand, negative impact. As far as I know, the positive impact of mobile is whenever you use your mobile, there are a lot of information on media that you can get, and you can guide yourself.
Okay.
And on the other side, the negative impact of mobile is that when you use the mobile for just for watching the movie, and just you waste your time. So this is the negative impact.
Okay. What is your opinion about selfies?
Selfie is a very great idea. With the help of technology, we got facing selfie. So whenever we get anywhere, we can get my mobile with ourselves and just take a selfie. Just get a selfie. It's very surprising moment for us.
Okay, we can get my mobile with ourselves. It should be I can get my mobile with myself. So grammatical range and accuracy and relevance of your answer to the question. These two things are very important. Okay, thank you.